What happens to your body when you do yoga every day? Imagine starting each day with a practice that strengthens and heals you simultaneously. Daily yoga enhances flexibility, tones muscles, and improves posture. It's not just about looking good. Every stretch, pose, and breath makes your body move better and feel stronger, even in the midst of corporate demands. Work stress weighing you down? Yoga serves as your ultimate stress buster. Through intentional breathing and mindful movement, it lowers cortisol levels, leaving you calm and clear-headed. Each session unravels tension, helping you reset and recharge for more focused, productive days both at the office and beyond. Feeling drained by midday slumps? Yoga energizes you from the inside out. It improves blood flow and oxygen circulation, fueling both mind and body with vitality. Just 15 minutes a day can refresh your energy, making you feel more alive and ready to tackle whatever comes your way. Yoga isn't just physical, it's transformative for your mental health too. Daily practice enhances mental clarity, sharpens focus, and cultivates emotional resilience. The awareness it brings helps you find balance amid life's challenges while fostering a deeper understanding of your body's unique needs. Beyond flexibility and focus, daily yoga boosts digestion, strengthens immunity, and supports restful sleep. These benefits ripple through your daily routine, creating healthier habits and ensuring you're operating at your peak. It's a simple practice with life-changing results, helping you feel your very best every single day. Rediscover your full potential through daily yoga. Step onto your mat, stretch into possibility, and watch your body and mind transform. Start today, even if it's just 5 minutes. Join others in the corporate wellness journey, because investing in yourself is the first step towards a healthier, more balanced life.